Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is a very interesting one. Vaseline can actually be used to moisturize your hair to prevent breakages. But you all know there are no specific ingredients or hair growth product in Vaseline. So we're going to maximize the benefit of Vaseline, and this recipe is one of my favorite hair moisturizers because once applied, it moisturizes your hair for a very long time. So one of my ingredients for this recipe is rosemary herbs. One thing I love about rosemary is the fact that you can easily find it in any grocery store and it is super affordable. So rosemary can stimulate new healthy hair growth. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties that will also treat your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues to give way to new healthy hair growth. The next natural ingredient I'm going to add to this recipe is dry mint. So this is mint. Mint is also easy to find in any grocery store. Mint can also stimulate new healthy hair growth. It will prevent hair breakages and strengthen your hair strength. So the ingredients you are using today, they all have similar properties and they are great for the scalp and also for the hair strength. So when put together in this recipe, will maximize the benefit of Vaseline. This is clove. Clove is also very popular. If you haven't tried clove in your hair care routine, you can use it in this recipe and I tell you, you will not regret giving clove a try. Clove will stimulate your healthy hair growth and also prevent hair breakages. At this point, you add any favorite oil of your choice. I decided to add olive oil. No measurements, just make sure the amount you add covers up all the natural ingredients. After that, you put it in a blender and give it a good blend. And here you all, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so I used the double boiler method to infuse all the natural ingredients with the olive oil. I left it sitting in the hot water for about 15 to 20 minutes, all until the oil is warm to touch. After that, you set it aside and allow it to settle down. Once you've seen all the ingredients settle at the bottom, it is time to strain it. You can use any paper, cheesecloth, any material with tiny holes to strain it. The goal is to get rid of all the little tiny particles so we do not have them stacking in our hair. After you give it a good strain, there are a few things you need to do. This recipe is very powerful. You just have to know the right way to use it. Make sure you are following all the steps so you can get all the benefit out of this recipe. So this is Vaseline, also call it petroleum jelly. Vaseline has been really underestimated when it comes to hair care. There are so many ways you can incorporate Vaseline into your hair care routine, and this is one of them. When you use Vaseline in a recipe like this, it is going to keep your hair moisturized, leave it moisturized for a very long time, and in return will prevent hair breakages and strengthen your hair strength. I'm also going to add some shea butter. Shea butter is also a good moisturizer. when also used on the hair, will strengthen your hair strands and prevent hair breakages as well. So when you put the two together, it is a game changer. But I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. So make sure you are following all the steps. Again, I'm using the double boiler method or hot water to melt these two ingredients together. I took about a tablespoon of each, the shea butter and the Vaseline, put it in a bowl that is safe in hot water, and I'm going to melt the two together. So once everything is all melted, we want to add some essential oils. Essential oil will add to the fragrance of this recipe, and also it has its own benefits. Adding any essential of your choice will also help treat your scalp and also stimulate new healthy hair growth. So this is the oil we prepared earlier on. We're going to add equal portion of this oil to equal portion of the Vaseline and shea butter melted together. You mix the two together and put it in the refrigerator till it becomes solidified like so. You can use this on your wash days or use it as a hair moisturizer. Massage it into your hair strands. Whenever your hair feels dry, leave it in. Be consistent with the use, and after your first use, you will come back and thank me later. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next one.